Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put our Punjabi book away, and now it is time for us to use our Gurmat books. So you know what Gurmat means? Gurmat means Guru's wisdom, or Guru the wise words, or what Guruji wants us to do. How should we live our life? So that's called Gurmat. It is really important that we learn how to live like a good Sikh, because good Sikhs are good people. They are people who do the right things, who speak the truth, who work hard, who share with others, many things. So you're going to learn about all these things in Gurmat class, and also we are going to learn some Gurbani. When I was a little girl, I went away from home. I had to live in boarding. And you know what, I used to be so sad, I used to be so scared, and then I started, my mom said, my BG said that I should start doing a little bit part. She told me to do Tati Vauna Lagai Par Brahm Sarnai Shabad. I think your mommy and daddy probably read it to you, and if they don't, they will start doing soon, and you're going to learn this Shabad too. And then you know what that did to me? It started giving me some confidence and security. I used to believe that Guruji is right here with me and he's going to protect me. And there's a wall around me that bad things can't penetrate. So I will be safe. And also when I started memorizing Gurbani, you know what happened? I started memorizing my lessons even more, because my brain started becoming sharper, and I could focus more, I could pay attention, I could memorize things more. So it's going to help you in many ways by learning Gurbani and by knowing what good people should be doing, how they should be living their life. Okay? So this is a Gurmat book. A note for teachers, this is older version, but this is kind of lessons that you will be teaching them. So, you know, have you heard of the words Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh? Have you heard of them? We did it in the morning too when you came, right? I said Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh to you. So that is called Fateh. That is a greeting. You know how in America we say hi, hello, good morning, right? And in Sikhi, in Sikhs, we say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. What's another greeting you use at home? Now, some of you probably don't say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh at home, but when guests come to your house or you go somewhere, if you don't speak English, what is another greeting that you have? Anybody can tell me? Yeah, it is Sat Sri Akal, right? So both of them are okay, good greetings. We can use either one of them. In my family, when we are at home, we say Sat Sri Akal, but when we are outside, especially when we are in Gurdwara, when we meet a friend there, when we meet people there in Gurdwara, Sangat people over there, we say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Everybody jodo your hand, hath jod ke mainu dasso, bolo. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. And you know what Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh means? It means the Khalsa belongs to Vaheguru, God, and so does the victory. So we should be humble people. That's one. And secondly, maybe it also means that if we belong to God, we will win. Right? And anything we do, anything good we do, we will be the winners, right? So Guru Gobind Ji, Singh Ji had granted this Fateh to us, and he gave hukam to all of us that whenever a Sikh meets a Sikh, this is how we should greet people. And you know what? By doing this, what happens is we say the word of Vaheguru twice, right? So we're remembering Vaheguru, and when we remember Vaheguru, we think of good things, we will not do wrong things. So it's a good idea to say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Okay? So when you go home, there's a little picture here. Actually, in the other book, there's a bigger picture. You can color this picture. And when you go home, you can say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh to your parents, to your mommy or daddy or dadi mama or dada papa or Nana Ji or Nani Ji or anybody for that matter. Okay, you can say that. The other one you have heard in Gurdwara is called Jaikara. It says Bole So Nihal. And what did they say? Sat Sri Akal, right? So that's called Jaikara. Is ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਦਾ Jaikara ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ Jaikara mostly ਅਰਦਾਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅਰਦਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ old time ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਾਰਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੈਟਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸੀ, when there used to be wars, ਸਿੱਖਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਬੋਲੇ ਸੋ ਨਿਹਾਲ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ. So that means whoever says bole says so nihal, that person is the blessed one. And what do you say? When do you become blessed? How do you become blessed? Sat Sri Akal. Sat Sri Akal means that Almighty Waheguru is true. That's what it means. Okay, so that's called the Jaikara. And the one we did before, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, is called the Fateh. So these are the two words, two things you need to remember. These are very basic things about Sikhi. One is Fateh and one is Jaikara. Do you think you remember that? Very good. Okay, we are going to learn many things about Sikhs and Sikhi.